Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a testing MUA makeup or first impressions of it. Not really sure, but yeah, so from Superdrug I ordered quite a bit of things. It's a big box actually. So yeah, I'm literally just going to get straight on with the video. It's got a little bubble wrap. So I just took everything out of the bubble wrap. And to be fair, I actually ordered quite a bit. It's like if you spend £10, then you get this free eyeshadow thing as well. So I spent £10, then I got like 7 including the eyeshadow thing. So I'm just going to start off with eyeshadow thing. That is what it looks like. To be fair, I actually quite like the packaging. And that, oh my god, that is actually really nice. I genuinely will use this and I actually like it. And the next thing, it's like this powder thing. It's loose powder. Yeah, I don't really know, but looks okay. Probably the first, like one of the first things I actually picked up as well was this. You really can't see that concealer. The packaging looks really plain. It's like really white. You get quite a bit of product, I'm gonna say. Probably around the size of my normal concealer. And then I got this primer, you also really can't see it. There's that. It looks okay. Yeah, I just wanted to, I actually haven't used a primer before, so okay. Then I got this like lipstick thing. It's like £1 and it's like that colour. It is in a shade Totally Nude. But yeah, I actually just wanted to see the quality of it. And then the last two things that I got with this lip liner. It's the same colour as the lipstick that I got, so I can put them together and wear them both. This is good because it has a little sharpener thing. Then also I got this eyebrow pencil thing. It actually looks really dark. Whoops. But it's got a spoolie on the back, so I'm happy about that. Just zoomed it in a little tiny bit. And I'm going to start off with the primer. Oh wait, look at that. That's nice. And also, that is so nice. To be fair, the packaging, like, it feels really nice. And then the lid's nice, like, it feels good quality. Okay, so you have to do a few pumps of this first. Okay, so, just saying, I've literally put like a tiny bit on my hand and it comes out quite weirdly. Oh wow, I didn't even put it on my cheeks, I forgot. Okay, so I'm just going to look what that looks like in my mirror. So I've got... To be fair, that is really not that bad. Also, I didn't get a mascara because I was too scared to like put it on my eyes. But I'm going to move on to the concealer next. But it's £1.50 or £2.50. This is so hard to open. I had to, well, my dad had to get a scalpel out. So yeah. Also I just got my beauty blender. That's actually, ooh, that is really hard. I bet you this will like actually hurt. I literally cannot see it. I'm just gonna like go a bit close. Oh my god, that is so light. Okay. Basically, if you're seeing this, anyone, I cannot do makeup, like, at all, even if I try. Okay, so that is really light. Also, half the thing was like got no product, like, actually in it. Like, there's all of those gaps there. Okay, so I use my bad beauty blender that I literally don't use and that I cut the top off. And I'm actually just gonna go a little close. Okay, so that is really patchy. If you can't see on that minute, I'm just gonna go back again and use my big old mirror again. Okay, actually, to be fair, Okay, so the coverage is not that good. And it's really like oily and just a bit, but it's worth money because it was so cheap. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the loose powder. I actually really hope this is good. I think this was the most expensive thing, it was like £3. So going up for the price. So that was also really hard to open. My dad had to get a knife. So yeah. Also, wait, this was in the shade okay, there might only be one shade. I went everywhere. That went all over my black leggings, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. I literally cannot cope, that is so stressful. I'm literally just gonna go to mirror. Oh, okay. It's all gone on my face. And the sun is everywhere. Okay, so that was cool. I'm not really sure if I'm meant to use it. Okay, that will probably do it to change because I've got trees and the mirror. No. Oh my god, okay. That is a very big fail, mainly because I literally can't use it. Now I'm going to go on to the pencil thing. This is literally such a fail and like worth us trying. I literally never do my eyebrows because I have no effort. So first of all, I'm going to use this little spoolie. Kind of looks really weird and like it's going to hurt. Oh, my battery's running out. Okay. And then this is really not gonna work. Oh my god, I can. Okay everyone, so if you want something that is that pigmented, so this is the £1 thingy, lipstick. Also, it's really annoying because the lip crayon thing that I got kind of fell down the radiator, so we can't get it out because we're trying to open the wrap packaging. And yeah, so I've got this one. I actually do quite like this shade, but you know what, I'm gonna use it still. I'm gonna do it in my mirror. Also, I literally cannot do lipstick, so it is gonna be such a fail. My lips are literally so chapped, I'm not even going to like do it zoom in them because they're like so like gross and like crusty. But I'm literally just going to go onto this eyeshadow. I genuinely like it though, so I'm literally just going to use this one Makeup Revolution brush. That is that. I actually really like this. Ooh, so there is this like white shade, but then it's just like completely white and it's just like got dyed orange, so I'm not really going to use that. Then I'm just going to use that like really close, like what am I even doing? I cannot do eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to do a little bit in the crease. Also there's no mirror on this, just if you want to know that. And then I'm going to do a little bit of that like slightly lighter one. And then also, okay, this is literally so hard. On the inside, I'm just going to do a bit of that. And I'm literally just going to do that. To be fair, that is literally not bad. For me, that is actually not bad. I mean, it's bad and you can't really, like, it doesn't really make any difference. Also, I'm just going to like swatch the blue ones. Oh, that's not that bad. It kind of looks a bit like just gross colour. So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, give it a big thumbs up and also click the subscribe button down below. I know this has literally been such a fail, but it's still testing it out. Also, I'm so sad that the lip crayon fell down the radiator, but I did still keep the thing, but it's a bit safety hazard because that bit comes off. So that is literally the end. See you in a bit. Bye. Hi everyone, so this is just like an end edit bit. My dad got the thing out of the behind the radiator, and yeah, so I've put that back on. So I'm just gonna do a little swatch of it. First of all, it's actually quite nice and creamy, but it's really like soggy. Maybe because it's just been behind the radiator, but it's moved like quite a lot. I'm just gonna be like, okay, that literally just all broke. So I thought I had a lump of it on me. So I think I'm just gonna like let it dry and then sharpen it and then hope for the best. So yeah. But that's just like the end of it, so bye.